Hi, I'm gonna make a donut today. First I'm gonna center here, I'll show you. See? All right, first I'm gonna center the clay. Got it smack down there. The wheel is going nice and fast for centering. Hi Noelle and Ann, I'll be with you in just a minute. I'm making a video. Okay. Centering the clay, become one with the clay. Smooth it inward and re-wet often. Exhale when you're making your move. When you're smoothing it, exhale and then release gently. You'll get it centered nice and quickly if you allow yourself to respond to the clay rather than fight the clay. Now because I'm making a donut, I'm going to go all the way through to the bat. All the way through, and now there's no bottom. So now I have to commit. I'm actually making a donut because there's no bottom in my little ring here. Once I've got that done, then I brace my finger so carefully and make kind of a moat down in the middle of this lump of clay because I'm going to pull up both walls separately. I'm going to slow it down. It seems to be on center, so I've slowed it down a little bit so I can exaggerate, pull up and exaggerate the shape of this middle stem here. And flare it a little bit. And then I'm going to slow it down even more and bring the outside up a little bit. The idea is that they have to meet. They have to meet nice and evenly. There we go. I'm going to exaggerate and extend this. Exaggerate and extend this. And then, I hope I can bring this up a little bit more, it looks like. Bring this out a little bit more. It's important to get the middle part up and extra tall first so that you can gently nudge in a nurturing way the pieces, the edges together. They will find each other if you're patient. They just all of a sudden connect. And that the dampness in the clay brings them together, but you can't just rely on that. You want to burnish it nice and closed. Yeah, into a good, strong connection. Smooth it a few times to be sure it doesn't open up in the drying. There we go. That's a little bit of finesse, you know, we have to be, like I said, one with the clay. It's kind of a strange thing to say, but if you're really in a positive frame of mind and your moves are gentle and subtle and patient, you find yourself achieving more, as in real life, right? So then, when it's done, when you're done throwing, then you wire it loose and flip it over, just like I did this one a little earlier. I wired it loose from the bat, and then I'm going to, when it's dry enough, I'm going to trim those little sharp edges here and here to make it completely round, like a donut. And then sometimes I'll turn it into a decanter or a teapot, add appendages and extra parts. Thanks for watching.